Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello, spice lovers. In this video, I will explain how to make a fiery Naga-style green chili pickle. This intensely flavorful condiment is a true delight for those who appreciate heat. You'll need about 200 grams of fresh Naga chilies, half a cup of pungent mustard oil, and several cloves of garlic. We'll also use a blend of whole and ground spices, along with vinegar or lemon juice and salt to create this incredible pickle. Let's get started. Preparation is key for this pickle. Begin by washing and completely drying your green chilies. Moisture is the enemy of good pickle. Remember to wear gloves when handling these potent peppers. Next, remove the stems and either slit them or chop them into pieces. Then, gently dry roast your whole spices like mustard, cumin, and fenugreek seeds for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Grind them coarsely and have your crushed garlic ready to go. Now for the cooking. Heat about 1 cup of mustard oil in a pan until it smokes, then turn off the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Add your crushed garlic and sauté it until it's fragrant, about 1 minute. Stir in your ground spices, turmeric, and salt. Next, add the prepared chilies and cook them gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Finish by stirring in about 1/4 cup of vinegar or lemon juice, cooking for just 2 more minutes. Once your pickle is cooked, let it cool completely before jarring. This is important for safety and flavor. Transfer the cooled pickle into clean, sterilized glass jars, making sure they are absolutely dry. Pour a thin layer of mustard oil over the top to create a protective seal. Allow the pickle to sit for at least 3 to 4 days for the flavors to meld. Stored correctly, your homemade Naga chili pickle can be enjoyed for many months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.